Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I have the most amazing thing for cat lovers out there. I found a self-cleaning cat box, the Neakasa M1. I have been a cat lover all my life. You might remember Tygo. That kitty cat got old and died, but Tygo was in my first series of all of my videos. I even made cat food for Tygo. Now I have Mau Mau. Mau Mau's the most relaxing cat, likes to take cat naps with me. I like almost everything about cats, except cleaning the cat box. Having indoor kitty cats, that has got to be the very worst thing of all about having a cat. But that's really about the only bad thing about having a cat. I just love cats. It is just the most unpleasant duty I could ever imagine in my life, but I do it for the cats I love. And now, that's not an issue. No more cleaning the cat box. I just hate cleaning the litter box. Neakasa M1 has created the most convenient and cat-friendly self-cleaning litter box. It has a really big open top design. My cat's really big. Mau Mau's over 15 pounds. The top has a width of over 17 inches and the depth of the open top is about 16 inches. The open top's really important because kitties can get hesitant about jumping in a litter box with a top on it, and my cat Mau Mau was very friendly with the cat litter box from the very first time it saw it, and was quite comfortable in that box using it. My cat just loved to do her business in this litter box. You didn't have to worry about a big fat cat getting stuck in it. The natural instincts of kitty cats see that there's litter in there. The Neakasa M1 cat litter box can use any clumping litter, just the normal stuff, nothing special. My Neakasa M1 self-cleaning cat litter box arrived right to my door in this big box. I opened the box. It was packaged really well, so it wouldn't get damaged. There was a few small boxes. Where to plug it in, which was great. The instructions were right on that box. On the other side, there was also a QR code. There's a few different QR codes so you can download the app. That's handy. I opened the box, and this is what the power adapter looks like. And here is a user manual with really great pictures of the device and how it fits together and how it works. That's terrific. Easy to understand in English. And when you first put it together, they have a Get Started page, really showing you how to put it together. That was simple. And further along, there's a QR code for the app and instructions on how to download the app, in case you don't know. And a lot more very good information in that user manual, so keep that. Here's a close-up of the box and the sides of the box. It's constructed of high-quality, very hard plastic. And on the bottom of the front of it are operating buttons in case you don't want to use the app, you just want to use it, directing it through a touch. I like that feature. The cat litter trash bin can be completely expanded, and this is how I did it. And fully expanded, the capacity is 11¼ liters, which is about 3 gallons of cat litter. Neakasa has designed that trash bin for the cat litter to be very large, so it lasts a long time in between full, complete cleanings. Here's a close-up of the waste tray pulled out on my counter, and here's a close-up of the sifter. That's going to sift your litter. Those big holes are what the litter goes back through as it's sifting out the waste. The power is attached in the back, and when you plug it in, it goes right on, and it starts to move right away. And here's the bottom of it, so you can see all sides of it. And on the bottom is where you're going to attach the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just insert them right in and give them a twist. And here it is, your Neakasa M1 open-top self-cleaning cat litter box on top of a mat they give you. And that's going to capture the cat litter if the cat makes a little mess as it's jumping out, like mine did. The app was really easy to find on the App Store, so I downloaded it. It was very easy to read the directions to get that installed. I was really impressed with the app. Well, I named my cat box Rebecca's Cat Box. And on every screen of the app, it gives you a lot of information. This is the most important page. This is the cat litter amount page. It has a yellow circle. It tells you how much cat litter you have in. They recommend 70% is the best, so I give a little more than that. It has a clean icon on the left, a leveling in the middle, and a calibration on the right. I suggest you set it to automatic cleaning, and you press that button, and also waste bin emptying reminder so you can clean the waste bin. That's an important feature. And there's more settings, and you can even share the QR code to have other people in your family assist with what's going on with your cat litter box. That's a great feature too. It will calibrate for you. And as well for filming, I want to make sure I use a kitten mode so you can film the process for you of how it cleans. I suggest using kitten mode for the first few times your cat uses the Neakasa M1 cat litter box. Now I'm going to take it out of kitten mode to clean it. I'm going to hit clean. Start cleaning. And here we go. It's really quiet. It's not going to scare your cat. What's happening is it's sifting out the cat litter. And it's getting out the unburied waste, even the liquid waste that's clumped up. And this all happens within about 30 seconds. I'm going to speed this up a little bit so we can get through this. And with all those angles, it's sifting out the solid waste into the waste collector underneath it. That's how it works. And then it's going to pour the litter that's clean right back in to that rubber bladder. And when all the clean cat litter goes back into the rubber bladder, it's going to level itself out automatically so you don't have to. And just like that, Kitty's ready to use it again. And cleaning the box is really easy. You just open the bottom tray and then check out the way that they've designed it, that I can pull, not even looking at what's in it, and close it by pulling on the side of the trash bag, all that blue, which is the handle, because inside it is gathering the edges of it. So when I pull it out to take it out, it's all wrapped up in a nice little package, and I don't even have to see what the heck the cat was doing for the time it was using the box. And then just replace your bag, which is so easy. We surround the back. And as I line the trash bin for the litter, I am putting it all around the sides. There's grooves around there on that rubber, all around and in the back. And I'm just putting the little blue tab of the bag that you can see that plastic right through a special handle designed in there. And this is really awesome, because just having it like that and then pushing in the trash bin, check that out, now it's closed, is perfect. On the very top of your app, it's going to tell you what % of litter is in. So if you want to get it back up to 70% or more, you can just add your litter to get it to the % you want over 70%. Because that's what's recommended. About every couple weeks, I want to empty the entire waste bin. So I'm going to press this button or I'll use my app. Now, Meow Meow is a big cat using this, but you could have a cat up to 28 pounds. That's like the maximum size of cats anywhere in the world. And a family with less than 3 cats. And it's really changed the worst task about owning cats. Because now there's no more daily visits to the cat litter box to clean it. The Neakasa M1 will do that for you. And once in a while, you might want to clean the Neakasa self-cleaning litter box. That's easy because it's waterproof. For demonstration purposes, I put this on my lawn and I grabbed a hose and I hosed it down. I also could have put it in my shower or just washed it down with a washcloth. But there's nothing corrosive on those parts, so hosing it down is just fine. I'm hosing down the lid, I'm hosing down the mat, and the waste drawer. It was easy to take these parts off and put them on my lawn to clean them off. My big fat kitty cat Meow Meow really loves her Neakasa cat litter box. She made friends with it really fast and had no accidents the very first time. I think you'd have great success too with your litter of kitty cats. So click the link below to get your Neakasa M1 self-cleaning cat litter box. It's gonna change your life. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes together. And today's recipe is one for a clean litter box, so you don't have to get near that cat's recipe. See you next time. And if you like this video, here's some over there, including some more kitty cat videos and also some great recipes for your family.